The fifth tourist attraction I will introduce is Pakyon Waterfall. Pakyon Waterfall is located in the northern part of Pakyon, which is 70 kilometers away from Seoul. Its height is 37 meters and width is 1.5 meters. It is one of the three famous waterfalls, along with Guryong Waterfall of Mountain Kumgang and Taesong Waterfall of Mountain Seolak, which are as beautiful as it. It is designated as Natural Monument number 38, and it has long been known as the so-called Songdo Samjeol, along with Seogyeongdeok and Hwangjin-i. The name Pakyon originated in the old days when Park Jin-sa came to play at this waterfall and was observed by the beautiful scenery and got married with a dragon woman who lives in a pond under a waterfall. Park Jin-sa's mother thought that her son had fallen away from this waterfall because his son had not returned. So she fell into grief and fell to the wall under a waterfall. Some say why it is called Pakyon Falls. As a result of the survey on the satisfaction of the Kaesong Tour operational system in 2008, the most favorable choice the survey shows was Pakyon Waterfall, garnering 77.3%